So, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you want to install Call of Duty Mobile but you can't seem to find it on your Google Play Store for SONY Xperia 1.4. So in order to do this, let's open our Google Play Store and let's try finding Call of Duty. As you can see, there's no game that we want to download, and in order to fix this, go back, click on your profile icon, move to the settings, family, here parental controls, and right now we can fix it two ways. The first one is to disable parental controls entirely, enter your PIN code right here and click OK. The next is to click on apps and games, enter your PIN code, click OK, and increase PG to at least 16. Click on understand and then save. Now when the settings are saved, we can go back, try finding Call of Duty yet again, and the game is right here, we can install it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.